Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us see how to paint the face of Joker in this video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell. At first, let me draw the major borders of the picture, like the lips, nose, eyes, and wherever there is shade. Once that is done, you can start to darken the borders. Here I am drawing this Joker face by looking at already available Joker photo in the Google. You can find a lot of such Joker photos and paintings in net. Once the borders are all set, you can start to color the background. Now we can start to provide the shadows in the picture using the pencil. Use the dark color to highlight the shadows and wrinkles in the face. This painting uses very few colors, and painting the hair part is the easiest one. You can use your fingers to smudge on the shaded part to get an even color. Let me do some final touch and corrections and then our painting is ready. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do try this painting and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.